the Smart Band 9 Pro. Like previous Pro versions in Xiaomi's best-selling line of wearables, this one has a larger, squarer screen compared to the non-Pro Smart Bands. The Smart Band 9 Pro's display is 1.74 inches in diameter, AMOLED of course, with 336 by 480 resolution and 1200 nit peak brightness. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro is designed for fitness enthusiasts seeking both functionality and style. Weighing only 24.5 grams, this lightweight device is built with a TPU strap and metal components, ensuring durability and comfort. It is water-resistant up to 50 meters with a 5 ATM certification, making it suitable for swimming and water-based activities. The Smart Band 9 Pro is packed with practical features, such as incoming call and text message notifications, alarms, timers, and reminders. For fitness tracking, it includes a calorie meter, steps counter, heart rate monitor, and SpO2 sensor to monitor blood oxygen levels. The device supports over 150 sports modes, ensuring tailored tracking for diverse activities, and has a 350 mAh battery that's rated for up to 21 days of use. It has NFC on board, along with Bluetooth 5.4 and GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS support. It's compatible with smartphones running Android 8 and later, as well as iPhones running iOS 12 and later. Like any device of its type, the Smart Band 9 Pro measures your heart rate, blood oxygen level, stress, and analyses your sleep too. There are over 150 sports modes to choose from, including enhanced tracking for running and swimming. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.